just doing some overhead presses with arguably one of the greatest cordless stick vacuums of all time. And it's not really doing much because it's lightweight. I'm gonna have to do a lot of those. That's actually one of the reasons people love this, is because it's so lightweight, but also very powerful. As well as the number on the product page should be way more. But first thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend this out. Almost forgot to extend that out. Press the power button here. And there's 3 speeds. So that's the first speed, second speed, third speed. From here, it's got that light out front to help you see any dirt that you wouldn't be able to see without it. And it does come in handy, and it helps you pick up stuff that you wouldn't normally be able to see. Go straight from the carpet to the hardwood floor, the rug to the hardwood floor, and you don't have to do anything, that's one of the things I love about it. From here, what we'll do, so as you saw, it can shorten. We could take this piece off and attach something there, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one off. You got this attachment. You could get on the walls, maybe get through the ledges, vacuum the car. People vacuum their keyboards with this piece as well. You got this piece. You can get in sort of the crevices in the couch, whatever. Comes in very handy, this one as well. So great for your house and your car. Has a filter already in there. Comes with 2 extra filters right here. Amazing. Also, if you want to mount it to the wall, comes with this as well as the mounting hardware down here. Mount it to the wall. This slides right in, and it's pretty sweet. A lot of people don't really even need to use the mount, but some people do. It comes in very handy, very easy to store. Looks nice as well, and love this vacuum cleaner. Highly recommend.